Navy Vet 76 at the gun range. Alright, as you can see, I have two Carcano Carbines here. They're both model 1891 carbines. The top one with the bayonet is the model 1891 Calvary carbine. It has the folding bayonet with what I guess you would call the second series bayonet light. I got this one from Bud's Gun Shop. This is the first time out firing it. I've already run 6 rounds and my camera messed up, so I'm starting over. So when we go down range, there'll have already been 6 rounds on the target, or should I say around the target. The bottom one is the M91 TS for Special Troops, which is the model 1891. It was used for artillery and rear line troops, I guess. And they both used a 6-round in-block clip. It's a Mannlicher style magazine. I'm using 30-31 IMR 30-31 powder in this load. I'm also using a 130 grain bullet. It's resized to 269,000 from a 270 caliber. It is called an SP, made by Hornady. It's a lead-tipped, flat-base bullet. It seems to work well in my long rifle, but as you'll see, it's not working worth a crap in at least the Calvary carbine. It's the second attempt with the TS, and I haven't fired that yet, so let's see how things go. First off, I can tell you it's running way too slow. I think I'm using the wrong powder. It's one of the powders suggested in the Hornady manual. I think 30-31 doesn't work very good in this carbine. You need a faster powder, in my opinion. Getting the fits. Alright, there's 6 rounds. I'm running at 1800 feet per second or slower. So way too slow for this rifle. I don't expect much. I didn't see much in the first round, so we'll see what it looks like. Now there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, one of these flyers is the other one. I mean, it's grouping somewhat. The first shots were way over here. The second batch is right here. I can't explain why. I'm aiming right here using the front sight right at the bottom of the V and the rear sight. I still think that powder's too slow for this gun. It's got a very short barrel on it. It works really well in the long rifle. It has the long barrel. We got some load development to work on it. I think it's going to work. I'm going to move on to the TS and see how we do with that. I don't expect much more.